My name is Dr. V. Anil Kumar, Kakatiya Government Degree College, Hanamkonda. So I want to take in Applied Zoology 5th sem paper. The topic is fishing gears. Uh, where there are various types of fish gears are used in the fishing in the fishery. There are different sizes, shapes, and designs. So these gears generally prepared and made by the fishermen and manufactured in cottage industries. Uh, there are different types of nets are using in the fishery. So they are used for catching of these gears, mainly for catching of large fishes in the offshore. The main type of nets being used are boat seines, shore seine, bog nets, and fixed or stationary nets, drag nets, drift nets, cast nets. So these are the different types of gears. So let us we will discuss about the scenes. Scenes are the one of the type of gears. So these scenes are specially designed and large fishing nets. They are generally used these nets in running water. So with these nets, they are we can collect large number of fishes. So scenes are the shape is rectangular shape and with mounted on wire. Generally these scenes are spread vertically in the water. So scenes are mainly two types, boat and shore scenes. So boat scenes, so these nets are conical shape provided with wings and these scenes operated in sea by catamaran boats. The scene traps the fishes uh, and another type of gear shore scenes. So shore scenes are operated from seashore. It is popularly called beer jal. Beer jal it is called in Orissa, Pedda and Alivala in Andhra coast. So different names are there. These shores in the different places. Actually, it is conical bog-like with two wings, and one end of net is kept fixed to shore, and other end is spread into sea with the help of a boat. So in the form of semicircular type. So when the net is filled up with fishes, the two ends are slowly dragged by group of fishermen. So shore scene. So this is beer jal or shore scene. So it is um, the fishermen are dragging the net. And next another type of gear, Danish scene. It is also called a drag scene. It is used in the deep water and do not reach to surface. So it has small wings. And another type of gear, beach scene. So beach scene, it is also called hull scene. It has two wings made by strong pins. So both wings are joined to a central bag and the net is used in such a way that one wing remains on the beach. The other wing is spread on right angle in such a way. So both float and lead line do not allow fish to escape. So this is a beach scene. It is very important gear for catching of fishes. Another type of gear, purse seine. So it's just like a purse. It is used to catch the main important pelagic and migratory fishes. So it is just like a purse. It has two main lines, float line which remains on the surface and a lead line which sinks into the water but does not touch the bottom. The fishes are trapped and do not escape because net is pursed during operation. So at the time of use, one end of the net is tucked with a boat and another end is laid down with the help of Cruci making a circle and bringing this end back to the boat. The after that the net which takes the shape of purse. So this is a purse scene. It this is also one of the important gear for catching of fishes. And another important uh, nets, trap nets. So trap nets are also generally we are using uh, particularly catching in the shallow water. These trap nets are very strong and made in various shapes and sizes. These nets are maybe stationary or fixed, and it is lower part is cylindrical while upper part is conical. So the another type of nets, that is drop net. Drop net, it is also square in shape and mounted with the supple loops at the corner, tied in a cross at the top, and it is attached to a pole. So drop net, it is operated with a boat. So that is important. The boat is required for operating of this net. Another net is cast net. Cast net, it is a circular and cone shaped net. It is spread from edges of water uh, and the net is assumed shape of umbrella when it is spread on the water. So when the net sinks into the bottom, it is pulled and fishes are collected. So this is the way of using of this net. And another type of net, drift nets, or it is also called gill nets. So these type of nets are made by nylon material. So gill nets are mainly kept in the water overnight in the water, and after that the fishes get entangled in the meshes. So after that, so this is chandi jal. These are also important type of net. And another type of nets, simple gill nets. So simple gill nets are also uh, they are loosely woven nets. These simple gill nets, when uh, when spread in the water, fishes get entangled in the net. So the fishes try to escape the twin uh, of the net, get mingled in the gills of fishes. So another type of gillnet, that is trammel gillnet. So mainly it is this trammel gillnet, it is operated only for catching of small fish. And another net, that is fixed or stationary net. So these nets are used for catching of fishes in the inshore water uh, during low tides. So these nets uh, mainly kept in the fixed with the help of floats, sinkers and stakes. So these nets are available various sizes, and in West Bengal and Orissa it is conical fixed nets are used, and which are called gurni, and different places these nets are different names are there. And another type of nets, bog nets. The bog nets are conical in shape without wings. Some commonly used bog nets are Iroga in Andhra, and Turiwala in Tamil Nadu, and Koliwala in Kerala. So these nets are used with the help of two catamaran boats. So with the requirement of two boats for using of these nets. So this is the importance of the bog nets. And so these are the gill nets. And another type of net, scoop net. So scoop net, it is also round in shape, for used for capturing of delicate fishes. So it is just like a finger bowl, and can be moved swiftly in a scooping manner, collecting the fish. So next, another type of net, hooks and lines. So hooks and lines, these are consist of two types of hand lines and long lines. So various types of hooks are used, such as chain hooks, baited hooks, revolving and non-revolving hooks for capturing of larger fishes. And another type of nets, trawls. So these are large dragging type of nets. There are maybe two types of trawls with the beam called beam trawls and otter trawls. So these are also type of nets. Uh, and so these are the different types of gears. So this is very very important for essay point of view. Thank you.